Oh my, I love fabrics. Let me show you these. Okay, so we've got just a really interesting combination. They're coordinates, they're navies and blacks. This one kind of ties them together. But they're all different weights. So the first I start off with, this is 100% cotton. It's a navy blue. It's really beautiful for just like a summer blouse or a summer pant. It's lightweight, it's woven, 100% cotton. It's just a nice piece of fabric. Great drape, same on both sides, perfect. It goes well with this. This is a navy and white. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions, but you can see it's just a really nice match. If you want to do a pair of slacks or t-shirt or, you know, yoga pant out of this, it'd really be a nice combination. I put this in because it blends so nicely. This is a double crepe, 100% wool. This is an Italian. I don't know if you can see those words right there. It's a double crepe, 100% wool, made in Italy. This is not inexpensive. This is, you know, pricey. It is a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction. It's simply one of the prettiest fabrics I think I've ever touched in my life. I bought this when I was in Italy. I had it made and sent because I was just in love with it. It's not, like I said, it's not cheap. But it's beautiful, and a couple yards would make a beautiful jacket. It'd make absolutely stunning pants. Oh, it's just pretty. And you know, 100% wool, it probably could go year round depending on where you live. Obviously not in South Florida, but you know, it could. It's just stunning. I put this in because this is, and you talk about these different price points, you guys were all over the board. This is such a great blend fabric. It has black, it has blue, it has navy, it has pinks, it has all kinds of colors. It has stretch in both directions. It has great drape. It's a cotton poly. It's definitely like a swimsuit fabric. You know, it's got it's real slippery. Okay, but it's perfect. It's really nice. Then I put this in here because this is a chambray. It's 100% cotton. It's a black denim, and this is high priced. These are really well priced. So obviously I'm giving them to you the best price I can. This is like I said, a black and white chambray. It has no stretch. This is a woven, and it's wonderful. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. It's like a brushed, it's so soft. It's so soft. You could cuddle up and go to bed with this. It's so pretty. It's a black background, which is why I put it with the black chambray. I thought that would be a great combination together. And then the floral is the pinks. All right, so you know, this is quite a variety of fabrics. The goal, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.